Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you the differences between a Facebook profile and a Facebook business page. I have always been getting these questions and I didn't even feel like it's important for me to record a video on it because I feel like what everybody should know about it, and there are things that you do not commonize that some people do not know. So I decided to come on board today to share it with you. I've always been ignoring that people are asking. I always respond in my DM. But yesterday, someone asked me again. I decided to shoot a video on it here. And I'm going to share with you the difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook business page, or a Facebook profile and a Facebook page. If you are just seeing my face for the first time, welcome here. My name is Olainka and this is Yinka Bems. So let me go quickly into this video. What is a Facebook profile? A Facebook profile is the same thing as a Facebook account. That means that your Facebook account that you created maybe playfully, jokingly years ago, or maybe you're just a random account, you just created it with your real name. That is what is called a Facebook account. It is also called a personal Facebook profile. So a personal Facebook profile, what do you do on a personal Facebook profile? Remember I said that a personal Facebook profile, it is your Facebook account, which is your real name that you use, your details and information you post about the food you eat, you people you meet. Some people go to club and they tag other people. That's not even the essence of this video. They tag people that they are not supposed to tag. You go to party, you tag 100 people. The other people they don't even know how they got into your tags. Just sharing with you that Facebook profile is the things that you share on a normal daily, is your normal activities. That is what is called Facebook account. So when a Facebook account and a Facebook personal profile is the same thing. From the word personal, Facebook personal profile and Facebook account is the same thing. I have explained that. Right now let's go to Facebook page. Now a Facebook page and a Facebook business page is the same thing. Let me say it again. A Facebook page and a Facebook business page is the same thing. I had 2 weeks ago, I was trying to explain how someone can start running a hat. We took a course together on hats, and she didn't even have an idea because the person that did the class, the person explained only target audience, and because I had a knowledge about Facebook ads already, and I run ads on my business, and the person had a support group and they added every one of us, so we were sharing updates. I shared mine and they came in and they were asking questions. I was responding to the people's question. I'm not the one that owns the group, but I'm part of the people that bought. So I shared my screenshots of the ad I'm running, that is running finance. So people were asking questions, no normal people now. So I was answering, and so people came into my DM. In fact, I think I sent up like, even in my DM alone, I was sent to like 3 people, and before they could understand what a Facebook profile is, Facebook page is, it was so exhausting and so draining. I was sending audio. I was like, I'm not even the one that created the course that you bought. Like, go and meet the course owner. But most of the time, I always make sure that anybody that comes into my DM, I make sure that I get them satisfied. I answer their questions. That is, if it's not going beyond my consultation and every other thing, if it's something I can just do free will, of course I respond to DMs and I explain to people. So I have to explain and explain. So that is why I'm saying it in this video. A Facebook, read my lips, a Facebook profile, a Facebook page is the same thing as a Facebook business page. Now, what is a Facebook business page? A Facebook business page is the page that you created for your business. It is solely for business. Every information about that page is solely your business name, your business info, your schedule, the time you take orders, your business description, everything about your business. It is what is on business page, which is called Facebook business page. So when somebody is trying to tell you that a Facebook page, that you have a Facebook page, don't be looking confused. Know that a Facebook page is the same thing as a Facebook business page. Now, there is nothing called a personal page. There's something called a personal Facebook profile, which is the one I explained. Now, I am saying that a Facebook page is the same thing as a Facebook business page. And the main purpose of this video is that I am trying to explain that the difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook business page. I have explained that a Facebook profile is the things that you put on your personal account, while a Facebook business page is strictly for business. Now, the question is that I get most of the time, and the one I got yesterday, because someone sent me a DM yesterday again, was telling me a guy that, okay, is it that he wants to convert his Facebook profile to his business page? And my answer is no. You cannot convert a personal Facebook profile, your Facebook personal profile, you cannot convert it to your Facebook page. You have to create a Facebook page entirely. And for you to create a Facebook page entirely, you must have a Facebook account. Now, it's just like a mother. A mother, before a man and a woman will have children, they must meet the right way. I'm not saying IVF, they must meet, that they must sleep with each other and they will meet. It is when they meet, have sexual intercourse, they will be able to produce one or two children. Now, let me use that mother or that father as the Facebook profile. Now, the children they eventually give birth to after meeting is that page. So without a mother and a father, a child cannot be born, because you cannot choose child from heaven. So a child must pass through a mother and a father. That explains that before you have a Facebook page, you must have a Facebook profile. So if you are watching this video and you have a Facebook profile, congratulations to you. You need to take it a step further and create a Facebook page. Now, if you want to create a Facebook page, you must have a Facebook profile, which is the Facebook personal profile, just like which is your Facebook account. So if you want to have a Facebook page, you must have a Facebook account. So if you are not on Facebook at all, there is no way you will have a Facebook page. So if you are watching this video and you want me to record how you can create a Facebook page, comment the word Facebook page in the comments, and I'm going to look at it and I'm going to record the video. Do you want me to record a video of how you can create a Facebook page? Comment the word Facebook page under the comments. Now, so you can see the difference. A Facebook personal profile is different from a Facebook business profile. Personal profile is for your personal details, and as a business owner, which of these two are you supposed to have? You're supposed to have the two. Let me quickly explain, because I don't want this video to be too long. A Facebook personal profile, people know you, you have your friends there, your family, your friends, people you went to university with, people you went to secondary school with, they are all on your Facebook account, which is your Facebook personal profile. You are expected to use that to build your personal brand, to build your personal brand for your business. No matter the business that you run, you must be building your own personal brand. That's for personal Facebook profile. Now, if you want to have a business, you have a business, but you want to take your business further, there comes a time in your business life that you need to run ads on Facebook. And without Facebook business page, you will not be able to run ads. Have I explained it? Without Facebook business page, you will not be able to run ads. So you need to have a Facebook account. So if you are watching this video, you don't have a Facebook account, go and start building your Facebook account. Start building your personal page. Share things about it, the things that you love, the things you don't love, the books you read, what you ate, the people you meet, the conversation you have with people, the people that will come in contact with, the kind of conversation that happen in your DM. These are all content ideas and content topics that you can talk about on your personal page. Your personal Facebook profile is a place where you can be vulnerable and share things. Make sure that the things that you share are the things that resonate with you. Make sure that the things that you are sharing are the things that when you look 10 years after today, you'll be able to congratulate yourself, because those things are worthwhile. Do not share things on Facebook or on any social media platform that you will not be proud of in years to come. So you need a personal Facebook profile, and you also need a Facebook business page. Without a Facebook business page, you will not be able to run ads on Facebook. That is as simple as that. I hope I've been able to digest that topic. Yes, so you need a personal Facebook profile, and you need a Facebook business page. You need a personal Facebook profile, you need a Facebook personal profile, and you need Facebook business page. So you need both of them. If you want to record a tutorial on how to create a Facebook page, you know I mentioned that a Facebook page you have to create it from a Facebook account. So if you don't have a Facebook account, go and create one. Then if you want me to create a video on how to create a Facebook page, comment Facebook page in the comment, and I'm going to record a video for you. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Olayinka and this is Yinka Beams. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.